Luck is a big part of trading success. The market environment, whether stocks are going up nicely or whether they're reversing, stuck in a range, it makes a huge difference. Whether the currency pairs you are trading are trending or whether they are reversing. All these things are out of our control, but we can become more lucky as a trader. This video is based on an excellent book, The Luck Factor by Richard Wiseman. In it, he describes two types of people, unlucky people and lucky people. And a lot of these lessons are absolutely relevant for traders, and you can become more lucky as a trader. You know the Harry Potter films, Felix Felicis, when Harry takes this potion, he is able to do things that he wouldn't normally be able to do because he's lucky. Now, this sounds great as a trader. All our hunches, we act on impulse, and things come off for us. This is like being a lucky trader. On the other hand, The Cooler, the film with William H. Macy, when he is a professionally unlucky person that is paid to stand near a table where they have a winner and cool it down and turn it into a losing table. Self-identified lucky people expect good things to happen to them. And surprisingly, the research backs this out. Lucky things are more likely to happen to them. Good relationships, make more money, and win more contests. Lucky traders look at the world differently to unlucky traders. They expect good things to happen now and continue to happen in the future. They disregard the odd losing trade. But this is logical. We're going to have a lot of losing trades. Lucky traders trust their hunches. They go for big trades occasionally. Delusional people take big trades all the time, but there are times when you need to listen to these hunches. Not very often. The markets are usually rational, and this is when you need solid strategies. Lucky traders are way more likely to achieve their life dreams, that is to make money on the side or to go full time. Unlucky people are more anxious and they miss opportunities because they can't see the obvious. And we've all done this. We've all missed potential winning trades because of negative thinking. So here you go, 4 steps that you can take today to become a more lucky trader. Visualize. Loads and loads of academic research on this nowadays. At the start of every trading day or every trading week, what is going to happen? Yes, you're going to have some losing trades, but you're going to have more winning trades. Visualize your trades, hitting that profit target. Don't close it early. Stick it out and get the profit target. Keep a lucky trading diary. Again, loads of evidence for this. Every time you have a winning trade, maybe even a losing trade, note it down. Build up an unshakable reservoir of confidence that you can get loads of winning trades. Reframe every single losing trade. This is part of the process. However you want to visualize it, however you want to see it, it's the cost of doing business. At least you had a go. Every losing trade is a step towards a winning trade. At least you followed your strategy, and trust your hunches. Okay, these will not come very often, but when they do, go for it. Up your position size. Trust yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Mark from tradinginformed.com. If you want more content like this, in particular about backtesting your trading strategies, about getting more winning trades, please like the video, please subscribe and go to tradinginformed.com.